So just head over to your browser. I'm using the Chrome browser. You tap on your browser. In the search bar, you type dafont.com. So it takes you to the site. So select the font you like. I like the white beige. Click on download. Download. So I can go ahead and open it up and use my Phoenix archive reader to open it up. Unzip it to reveal the font. Head over to Capcut. Tap on new project and select a background, then add. Select my text tool. Click on add text. Type font. Other font, I'll go to my font. Click on add font. Click on my font. Just scroll down. Tap on the white beige and it. So you see in Capcut. For me to change the style of my font, I'll just click on white beige and it changes.